GTL3 wall and floor covering laser breaks new ground with features never before seen in a layout tool. Its unique elevated beams project cleanly over uneven surfaces and obstructions. An industry-first 45-degree layout line enables ideal alignment and accuracy. And an innovative offset pivot point sets a clear, highly visible starting point in front of the tool. These innovative features, combined with its industry-leading accuracy and rugged durability, make the GTL3 the most effective laser on the market for floor and wall coverings. Bosch asked flooring contractors how a laser layout tool could make their work easier, and the GTL3 delivers. Its elevated lasers shine bright, clear lines up to 65 feet. Two 90-degree lines make squaring a room fast and easy. And its 45-degree line provides a valuable additional guide and an ideal orientation for diagonal layouts. When laying walls, its powerful base-mounted magnets hold firmly to our versatile quick-mount positioning plate or any available steel surface. And its rugged, dust-proof, waterproof design